Nature is full of surprises. Some animals don't need to bite, scratch, or even touch you to have a powerful effect. Through the air, through water, or through invisible signals, certain creatures can influence their surroundings in ways that seem almost unreal. But what's really happening? Is it danger, or simply misunderstood biology? Today, we explore animals that can affect you without touching you, and the science behind how it works. To understand these animals, we first need to understand something important. Not everything in nature is visible. Many organisms interact with the world using chemicals, sound waves, or tiny particles in the air. Humans rely mostly on sight and hearing, but other species experience reality very differently. Some release substances into the air, others use microscopic particles in water, and some communicate through vibrations or signals that travel far beyond what we can detect. What might seem like power without touch is often a deeper connection with the environment, a reminder that nature operates on levels we are only beginning to understand.
In forests, oceans, and even deserts, some animals and organisms release substances into their surroundings. These substances can travel through the air, sometimes affecting other animals from a distance. This is not an attack. It's usually a defense mechanism, a way to warn predators or signal danger. In some cases, these airborne compounds can irritate the eyes, nose, or skin of nearby animals, encouraging them to stay away. It's nature's version of a do not disturb signal. What makes this fascinating is how effective it can be. Without direct contact, the message is clear: keep your distance. For humans, these effects are usually mild and temporary, but they remind us of how powerful chemical communication can be in the natural world. Beneath the surface of the ocean, a different kind of interaction takes place. Water carries signals far more efficiently than air, allowing substances to spread quickly and over long distances. Some marine creatures release compounds into the water as a form of defense. These substances can create discomfort or confusion for nearby predators, giving the animal time to escape. Others rely on microscopic particles or changes in water chemistry to communicate or protect themselves. To us, it may seem mysterious how something unseen can have such a noticeable effect. But in the ocean, this is simply part of daily life. The water itself becomes a medium of communication, carrying signals in every direction.
Animals don't just release signals, they also receive them. And sometimes, those signals can be overwhelming. Certain species are highly sensitive to changes in their environment. A sudden shift in sound, vibration, or chemical presence can trigger a strong reaction. This is not harmful in most cases, it's simply the body responding to something unusual. For example, strong natural scents or environmental changes can make animals feel disoriented or alert. Humans may experience this too, especially in unfamiliar environments. It's a reminder that perception is not the same for every species. What feels normal to one may feel intense to another. Perhaps the most fascinating aspect of this topic is how some animals can influence behavior without direct contact. Through sound, scent, or subtle environmental cues, they can signal danger, attract attention, or create distance. This is not about control, it's about communication, a silent language that operates beyond words or touch. In the wild, these signals help maintain balance. They prevent conflict, reduce unnecessary risk, and allow animals to coexist in complex ecosystems.
What may seem mysterious is often simply nature working exactly as it should. So, can animals really affect you without touching you? The answer is yes, but not in the way we might imagine. It's not about hidden powers or unseen threats. It's about chemistry, physics, and evolution. It's about signals carried through air and water and senses that go far beyond our own. The natural world is full of invisible connections, shaping how animals interact every day. And the more we learn, the more we realize nature doesn't need to touch you to be felt.